What is it?
You need those. I'm gonna do that. Film a video now? Show me a video you can do?
No, they'll probably kill it.
No. He'll die.
In the boat. And not on
Found that hole in the boat.
Yep, just held on tight.
Shit.
Grab right in the mouth.
I was gonna say, that's
Right in the mouth.